Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we on color correction in our Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on your color correction setting in a Realme phone device. So how can you on it? Today I will show you in this video. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys your color correction setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type of setting in your Realme phone. So friends, we will have to click on guys this system setting guys, tap here. Then guys click on accessibility setting. Friends, click on your vision setting and friends click on this color correction. So friends, you can use your color correction setting from here. After on guys, you can see guys your icon color will change and screen color change. So like that guys, you can on guys your color correction setting and guys you can use in your Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to on color correction and how to use it in Realme phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.